As AI understands more than just text, including images, audio, and website content, its analysis becomes more accurate, helping you discover deeper and more valuable insights. Mandala AI Basic Plan is designed to expand both the information AI can work with and what AI is capable of. Everything from Essential is still included, along with more AI points and access to even more AI models. Basic also unlocks more advanced AI capabilities, allowing AI to search, analyze, and summarize information more efficiently than ever before. With Curate website content, you can instantly bring content from the websites you're browsing into Mandala AI, turning them into another data source that AI can analyze right away. With social media comment analysis, you can analyze social media conversations to uncover key topics, understand what people really want, and discover valuable insights hidden within thousands of comments. Sonar Intelligence Conversation and Voice AI captures your conversations through the Mandala AI mobile application. Whether it's meetings, interviews, or classes, every conversation becomes searchable, summarized, and ready to use whenever you need it. It also connects directly with Mandala AI, turning every conversation into another knowledge source that AI can immediately build upon. All of these capabilities help you work with more types of information, analyze them more deeply, and transform massive amounts of data into actionable insights that are ready to use. Basic Plan is designed for people who work with many different types of information and need AI that delivers deeper analysis to support their work. Because everyone works with AI differently, Mandala AI offers plans designed for different ways of working. And as your needs grow, you can always choose the plan that fits you best.